Hi, my name is Sarvesh and you are watching D365 Notes. So in my last video, I have covered about the setup part of allocation journal. In this video, this is the continuation of that same video. So in this video, we will be covering about the allocation process. So let's get started. For checking setup, you can check my previous video. I will give here somewhere link, and the process I will start from here. If you see, I have created a journal and posted for the testing with the same advertising expense account. And if you see here, advertising expense and business unit 01. Now the same, if you see, this journal is posted, amount is 10,000, and rule I have defined for my allocation is 40, 30 and 30. Okay, so let me show you the allocation journal, allocation rules. These are the destination 40, 30 and 30. Okay, this is the amount I have defined. Now this is 10,000 journal. It should be like 3,000, 4,000 and 3,000. So it will be total of 10,000 and percentage will be allocated. For starting the process, so you have to go to general ledger and under the allocation, you will see allocation journals. Here you can't create a directly using new button. You have to click on process allocation request. Click on this button. Now here you have to select your rule, and this is my rule, so I have selected. My date will be, so I have posted on 1st March, so I will take like 5th March. Okay, now process in here in zero source, make it process. If you make stop, it will not create any journal lines, but make sure, and you can read this document as well from the Microsoft. In the zero source field, select stop. This will stop the allocation process and display message that state that a zero source amount is selected. Okay, now here proposal option, so either you can post only or propose only. Here I will make propose only. So if you select post only, system will directly post the journal without any review and all, and you don't have to post this. But in case of proposal, it will create lines and you will be able to review this journal and process. Here let me take the same date as this date, and this thing and this thing we will not cover today. Now this is the process part. If I click on OK, it will create a new journal line. Currently it is 14. If you see here, it will create a journal number 15. Let me click OK. Journal 15th is created, and if I click on lines, you will be able to see my source is this main account and business unit. And if you see, as per my rule, okay, allocation rules, it gave me 40% of 10,000, 4,000, 30%, 3,000 it has given me. So if you see here, 40% in business unit 2 system has allocated, and you can see this. Okay, now once it is created, you can directly post. So before that, I will show you the trial balance. So my trial balance is having 10,000 debit balance in the business unit 1 on the 1st March to 31st. Okay, March. Let me go back, minimize this, and if you see, this is the balance, and these accounts don't have balance in March month. So let me post this journal. So I will come to journal and post this journal. Now it is posted. I will run the trial balance again. I will filter this account. If you see here, this balance got changed. So it has been allocated. Okay, this is how it works. Okay, in debit, earlier it was 10,000, 3,000 was allocated, and closing balance will be 9,000 only. 6 plus 3, it is 9. Okay, this is how the allocation work. And if you see the vouchers, we will be able to see it is 4,000 allocated and 3,000 allocated on this. So let me go to journal and we can check the vouchers as well. This is how allocation journal process works. So if you have any doubt or query, please let me know in the comment. So that's it for today. I will see you in the next one.